to Wellness by the Cup. Today we are pouring a cup of dandelion root tea, a humble herb but powerful wellness support. This is the whole plant, simple, natural, traditional. No tea bags, no fillers, just the herb, doing what it's always done. Dandelion tea has this earthy, grounding flavor. The root brings depth, almost coffee-like when steeped longer. The leaf adds a clean green finish. Yes, and I will say, if you are new to dandelion, a squeeze of lemon, a little touch of honey can soften the bitterness. I use lemon, honey, agave, things of that nature. A little liquid stevia, because they are all natural, right? How I prepare it. I use 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose leaf dandelion. Pour hot water over the herbs and cover while steeping. Steep for 10 to 15 minutes for full support. This is a tea I enjoy once a day. Who is this tea for? This tea may be helpful for those focusing on digestion, liver support, or overall wellness. It's caffeine-free and grounding. What is dandelion? Dandelion, also known as Taraxacum officinale, has been used for generations in herbal wellness. The leaf supports gentle fluid balance and digestion. The root is traditionally used to support the liver and overall detox pathways. Together, they work in harmony to gently support the body. People often reach for dandelion tea when they're feeling bloated, sluggish, or heavy. It is loved for digestion support and gentle cleansing. This is not a harsh detox. It's a supportive, nourishing reset. As always, if you're pregnant, nursing, or managing health conditions, consult your health provider. I am not, I repeat, I am not a doctor.